Good morning, this is Fred from Technical Support Team at Digiray. Today I'm going to explain to you how to replace about the online motor from the plus scanner. So please reference the before video that I already take off the top cover and the inner chassis. So after that, when you can see there's a line motor, it's located here, 1, 2. So first, I'm gonna remove this laser steering assembly because it's connected through here. After that, I'm gonna also disassemble this part for the RFID and disassemble the cables through here, inside of here. So there's like 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna disassemble them. Okay, so when you disassemble all the parts from here, so RFID, cassette board, and laser steering assembly, lift it up again. And you can see there's like 4 things for you need to disassemble, and then 8 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those 4 screws need to disassemble. Okay, so after that, you can see this is now disassembled with the bottom cover. So when you check about this area, you can see this black one, back side of the black cover, is connected with the 4 screws, 1, 2, and opposite side we had more 2 screws in here. So later I'm gonna disattach the back cover, and then you can see there's a line motor. It's connected with the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm gonna disassemble that one. Okay, so I disassembled the line motor. As you can see, 2 screws I disconnected, I disassembled. And you can see the line is connected. It's all fixed from this tie. So line is coming through this area. And then you need to take off this cover. There's like also the 3 screws in here. So I'm gonna also disassemble here. So as you can see, I disassembled the cover. After that, the line motor cable is coming through this area, and it's going down through this here, and this is connected with this main board. So this is the line motor on the left and right. So you need to cut all the tie from here. After that, you just replacement, and then you just retie here everything, as same as like before. And then you just find the right position and assemble the screws again, and make it all the reverse of what I did for the processing. So this is done for today. Thanks for watching video, and I hope that everyone is safe from the COVID-19.